In R, we can simulate data from many probability distributions. Base R already includes common ones like the exponential and binomial distributions. For example, we can use the rexp function for the exponential distribution or rbinom function for the binomial distribution. But what if the distribution we want to use isn't built into R, like the Pareto distribution? In that case, we simulate it from first principles. First, start with the CDF of the Pareto distribution. Remember, the CDF gives us the probability that the random variable x is less than or equal to some value q. So if the CDF returns a probability of 80%, then the value of q is the 80th percentile. Next, rearrange the CDF algebraically so that q is the subject. This result gives us the quantile function. Then we implement that quantile function in R. Finally, we replace the probability P with runif n, where n is the number of observations we want to generate. The runif function produces random numbers from a uniform 0-1 distribution. Passing those values through the quantile function gives us simulated data from a Pareto distribution.